Your Highness, please enjoy some water.
This is a priceless treasure. One whose true value few can understand.
Mother, you're back.
Welcome home, Your Majesty.
Thank you, my dears. Please keep this treasure safe for me. Guard it with care. Stay here, all right? I'll be back soon.
Oh, wow! Here it is, the treasure! I'll take it now.
No one will know it's a fake like this.
Go and bring the treasure up here for me.
I'll bring it right away.
How could this be a fake? Did you deceive me?
It wasn't me who switched it.
I wonder how she's doing.
Why doesn't anyone believe me? I want to sell this treasure. This dress is so beautiful. Beautiful. Your Highness, please wait for me.
We will find a princess for you.
No mouths and bungle as men. How could you do this, amazing Tom? You set me up.
We have to keep going.
They are gaining on us. Why is the treasure here?
Put that treasure here.
Are you certain this is the complete transaction?
There's someone selling goods out there. Here.
Seize her, now!
The sea always feels alive, like it's breathing with us. Yeah, whenever I'm here.
Today.
Yeah, the breeze feels so nice. I love it. Today's really fun. Yeah, chatting with you always feels great.
Walking here feels so relaxing.
Yeah, the breeze is lovely. She's so beautiful.
Wow, look at her!
This shell, it's really beautiful. Walking with you makes me feel at ease.
Yeah, the breeze is nice. Let's walk a bit more.
Of course, they look perfect together.
I also want to receive love from him.
I will give you a surprise.
He gave me this beautiful flower.
I guess some people are just meant to be happy.
Oh, are these for me? They're beautiful. So this is how it ends. They took everything from me while doing it. She married him off of me. I will give you this to get justice for you. Everything will belong to us. I've never seen a gem so beautiful.
Hey, girl. Where are you?
I don't want to see anyone anymore. She cheated on him, so come to me. Wow, what a beautiful stone. What is this thing? It looks so surreal.
What do you think about our future?
I think it looks beautiful.
It feels so warm being with you.
She has been deceived by her. I cannot forgive her. The cunning and deceitful supervisor must pay the price.
I've come back to find you.
I found you.
This is not what I signed up for.
I never said it would be easy, but you made it impossible.
Whose fault is that?
Yours!
It's so quiet now. The silence is loud, isn't it? It screams your name. I miss those days.
It hurts. It hurts so much. I can't breathe. I'm so glad we could finally do this.
Me too. It's been a while.
I just need to be okay. It's been just a lot.
You're just being silly.
Am I? Think you like it?
Maybe a little bit.
The result confirms your pregnancy.
I'm going to have a baby. Oh my gosh. I can't believe you would say that after everything we've been through.
I want to know exactly what went wrong. There will be no excuses.
Stay low. Is it clear? Almost.
Oh my god. There's someone. I heard it. He's inside.
Is someone there? I hear something.
What do you think about this one, Jimmy? I like it. It looks good on you.
Just a little bit more. You're doing so well.
Good. What about you?
I'm fine.
Ready or not, the hunt begins.
Another day. Another moment in this quiet house.
Oh, look at this one.
Don't let me catch you.
Too late.
Naughty one.
I love this. Oh my goodness. It's real.
The fetus is still alive. Urgent monitoring is required.
Wow, these flowers are breathtaking.
They really are, Mira. There it is. The camera angle. Changed. Not just a glitch. Something else.
It's a peaceful day today, isn't it, my love? Just rest here with me. We'll be fine.
Look at you, all smug and charming.
Oh, really? Is that how you see me then?
Always.
Listen to me. They'll never see it coming.
This project represents a pivotal moment in our expansion. Our strategy is built on a comprehensive market analysis, showing a consistent upward trend.
I suppose I was too focused on the potential upside and overlooked the clear warning signs. The market had been signaling a shift for weeks. This drive contains the irrefutable evidence implicating his involvement. Every piece has been meticulously documented and verified.
There's no way out!
What do we do now?
I wish we could do this all the time.
We can always make time for this.